Hundreds of motorists have been stuck in the snow for more than 15 hours along I-95 in Virginia after a crash brought traffic to a halt. People have been posting increasingly desperate messages on social media about running out of fuel, food, and water. Some snow-struck drivers have been stopped on the Beltway Outer Loop near National Harbor, Route 50 near the South River, I-95 in Stafford County for more than 5 hours. Hundreds of vehicles have been at a standstill for over 16 hours, shutting off their engines in frigid weather to conserve dwindling fuel, many with little to no food or water. Stranded drivers are now getting off southbound I-95 at exit 152 for Dumfries Road, albeit slowly. No food and no hope drivers stranded on I-95 in Virginia are cold, hungry, and asking for help. Trapped commuters on I-95 ran out of gas with kids and pets in their car. Some drivers were forced to spend the overnight on the highway with no bathrooms nearby and temperatures plunging into the low 20s.